I am fire. I am deeply regretting not stealing that heater from the last camping tourists.
TikTok guru Crystal Vibes 420 said I just need to align my aura. Babe, my aura has hypothermia.
To the spirits of heat accept this Dollar Tree candle and bringeth me a space. Oh my god, the heater manifested legs. Wait, is that a possum? Did I summon a rodent demon?
He just took my favorite mitten. That was alpaca wool.
Alpaca. This is how dark spirits say thank you now?
Name? Vibes? Ability to radiate heat? Have you ever con therapy?
I ASKD for warmth. Instead, I got a furry ice goblin with attachment issues and boundary problems.
Maybe I didn't need a heater. Maybe I just needed to feel seen. Or maybe I just have frostbite in my soul.
Update. I manifested warmth. It just came with fleas, attitude, and a tiny snore. Manifest responsibly, kids.